When cold weather hits hard, don't let a chilly workspace slow you down. Avoid portable space heaters on your shop floor. TPI's fan-forced electric heater is ETL listed for USA and Canada for indoor commercial and industrial applications. Designed for supplementary or as your primary heating system. Ideal for factories, warehouses, workshops, pole barns, and maintenance locations. Simply mount directly to a wall or ceiling using our sturdy optional or supplied mounting bracket for directional heat airflow. Comfortable heat output up to 341,000 BTUs per hour. Uses 208 to 480 volts, single or three-phase, generating 3,300 to 100,000 watts. Manufactured with a heavy-duty 18-gauge steel cabinet housing with a powder-coated finish. This electric heater is designed for either horizontal or vertical airflow discharge. Easily installed optional accessories, such as internal wall-mounted thermostats, disconnect switch, etc. Head to tpicorp.com today.